right. These rear brakes are real nasty. You can see this thing is just all corroded up, and these things were all bent up and kind of falling off. Pads, of course, they look rough. Back brakes seem to be sticking a little bit, so I'm hoping that the caliper's going to be fine. I don't see any leaks, but we'll compress it and see what it does. But it's just rotten. But look how clean the frame is. I mean, really nice considering. It's just these brakes, they need a little love, so we'll get back to it. Parking shoes look not too bad. Better than I expected, honestly. It goes to the floor, but they do work. So we're gonna have to do some adjusting, but clean this up a little bit. It's in better shape than I expected. But we're gonna go ahead and start putting things back together. Everything looks pretty good so far. Cleaned it all out in there. Alright, we're back at it. This caliper was froze, so now we got to put a new caliper on it. Good old CarQuest 50-50 shot, it'll work, but we'll see. Alright, now clean up some of these tools. Get somebody to come out here and help me bleed them. We'll be back. Good as new. Yeah, she stops pretty good.